cannot go.
Matongoretio ni mubunge wa Narok North Moitalel Ole Kenta atongoria ya ni mekirire ngaja ugai wa githaka kia Nyayo Tea makiuria uthuthuria gutafanio niguo kumenyeke no wagunikire na miti ya goro iria yahanditwo gicunjĩ-inĩ giki kia mugunda wa makiria ya acre 2,000 ya muigana wa shiringi bilioni 10.
We want to know who benefited, and we want people to be taken to court for that kind of theft. It's bigger than most scandals, and actually this must be exposed now. Nyayo Tea, even the ones who have done it, we want them to be questioned, not just by Parliament, by the other investigative agencies.
Atongoria ya ni mahinyiriirie ati matigwetikira andu mathie na mbere guikara mutitu-ini uyu makiuga ni maranyita baru ikinya ria thirikari kuruturura aria makoretwo magiikara kuo.
Waondoke waende Embofut, watu wanatolewa.
Kama imekubalika na imeonekana wasi kuwa ni ukora ilifanyika, Parliament wanakuja tena kushungusa nini ama kutaka kujua nini kutoka kwa watu.
Ihinda-ini riu minister wa maria maturigiciirie Keriako Tobiko neugite Ikereka ria keeri ria kuruturura makiria ya andu 40,000 aria matigaririire mutitu-ini uyu ni ri kwambiriria ica ikuhi kuria ningi augite gutire mundu ona umwe ukurihwo akiuga migunda eno yegwatirwo mugaru na watho.
There cannot be such a greater manifestation of corruption, greed, impunity than the Messiah. You cannot therefore repay people for committing crimes. Government jails people for committing crimes.
Gukinyiria riu makiria ya title deeds 23 nicio icoketio moko-ini ma thirikari.
We have done a total, and it's almost 1,084 hectares of lands. That's about 2,677.4 acres of land which has already been surrendered to government. They are not asking for any compensation.
Tobiko augite mihang'o eno ndikurugama kuria ningi ageire kiene miario ya amwe a atongoria kuma gicigo-ini giki aria makoretwo makihinyiriria ati aikari aria mararutururirwo mutitu-ini uyu marihwo migunda yao. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wandirwa.